Rainbow restoration is client-focused in an industry that is losing client focus. My name is Jason Painter. I'm the Director of Property Management for NAI Earl Furman. And so we had a pipe burst at a grade A office building on the 4th floor, and we immediately called Rainbow. There's not a situation that you can't call Rainbow and they're not going to know how to help. You're just confident and you feel at ease with the fact that they're industry leaders in what they do. From the moment you call them, you know you're dealing with professionals. They're there to communicate with you throughout the whole process. Once they get on scene, they right away start to troubleshoot what has happened. They're documenting what has happened, and that's the biggest thing. From start to finish, they're documenting the entire process. So it puts me at ease because I know every day I'm going to get communications from them on what's going on, what needs to happen, and they're going to be transparent about the entire thing. I would definitely recommend Rainbow Restoration to other businesses, and it all goes back to the quality of their team. When you send a vendor of any type out into a property, they're representing you. And sending them into a property, I know they're going to represent myself in the ownership of that property at the highest level. I absolutely love Rainbow Restoration.